What we have here is a 1992 Ford Mustang GT Cobra, original 5.0 Cobra. I have completely rebuilt this car. It came to me as just a shell. It has a Sonic Blue Pearl clear coat, base coat. Pearl looks good. Needs wet sanded and buffed. I didn't get a chance to do that. Sorry about the lighting. This has to happen in my garage because I live in Ohio. Going to show you a video of the car. Sorry about the back. I'm going to show you a complete cold start. This motor has a 30 over motor. Everything in my description if you've read it. All the lights work. All the brakes are brand new. I have the hood already popped. I'll go ahead and lift the hood for you. I rebuilt this engine, 30 over engine. Sorry, I'm trying to put up the thing, sorry it's a little shaky. 30 over engine, brand new rings, all new bearings. As you can see, I deleted the smog, the AC, and the power steering. However, under that bench, there's quite a few parts that can go with the car if you need the smog and you want the AC unit to put on later, and or the power steering. It has a manual rack in it. I'm going to go ahead and start the car. I've got to recharge the battery. Like I said, I live in Ohio and it's a little cold. The battery will be charged by the new owner. That is a complete cold start. No smoke. I've ran a KOEO and a KOER on this. Running out of time here on my camera. Give you a little rev. Solid motor mount. So it kind of shakes the car, and it has a E303, actually, excuse me, a trick flow stage 1 cam in it, which I have pictures to prove all my builds.